guys, Louie Herron here, and the question is, how does my training assist the dealership to their specific needs? Well, it's real simple. When you meet with the dealer, you talk about exactly what's needed. Now, we know across the board, doesn't matter if you're in Los Angeles, Tampa, Florida, or North Carolina, every sales staff has the same common elements, right? We're post-COVID now, so margins are compressing. We got to find ways to actually sell and close deals with gross margins with value. So that takes some training and coaching and teaching. Again, implementation of the Sales and CEO course is the foundational piece. 60 videos and a workbook page, obviously that goes with that package. But then more importantly, the Zoom calls that take place. 90-minute calls once a month with each sales team. I keep them accountable. I'm the one that actually puts in place exactly what has to happen. So when they meet with me on that monthly call, we go over exactly what's supposed to be done so I can hold them accountable. In the dealership, most managers aren't taking the time to do this. Most managers don't have time to do this or the skills to do this. So there's somebody like myself that can come make that happen. In addition, I'll be in the store on a quarterly basis where I get FaceTime, where I can do one-on-ones. But my training's different. I don't just do the classroom. When I'm into the store, I'm actually on the floor closing deals behind the desk, desking deals, submitting deals, helping guys in whatever capacity they need. Internet department, BDC department, templates, phone scripts, closing skills, sales training, all of that's encompassed in my training. All of that fits most dealers' needs, and if not, we can get specific on any additional things they may need. So if you're a dealer, if you're a general manager and you want to just take a peek at what's going on, go to louieherron.com. That's louieherron.com. Click on the Dealer Solutions page or click on the training page. It'll open up, you'll see exactly what's covered, and you can also reach out to me directly. Again, go to louieherron.com right now to change your sales force.